Hey everyone, in this video I will be sharing tips and tricks for Block Blast along with the best strategies to improve your gameplay. First and foremost, always think ahead. Look at the upcoming blocks and plan where to place them. This helps prevent last minute panic and mistakes. Next, keep the board balanced by avoiding stacking too many blocks on one side. Maintaining balance ensures smoother gameplay and better opportunities for placing new blocks. Another key strategy is to maximize combos by aiming to clear multiple lines at once. This not only increases your score but also frees up space for new blocks. Look for opportunities to create chain reactions as clearing one line can trigger a series of clears, significantly boosting your score. Additionally, avoid gaps as they can limit your options. Prioritize filling them to keep the board open for more placements and use small blocks to fill in space, creating more room for larger blocks. Finally, practice regularly. The more you play, the better you will become at recognizing patterns and making quick decisions. Stay calm, especially as the game speeds up, since panicking can lead to mistakes. Let's wrap up this tips and tricks tutorial for Block Blast with the best strategies to help you improve your game. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.